Hello students, welcome to our class. Hope all are doing well at home. Let us begin the day with a new topic, children. What is the topic our? Today we are going to learn the vocabulary part, children. So if you open the page number 35 from your textbook, open the page number 35, children. What is given? Vocabulary bit is given. Yes, after the completion of the lesson, after the explanation of the lesson, I have started the explanation about the vocabulary, children. What is vocabulary? First bit is given. Let us deal with the first bit from the textbook. What is given, children? Here given below is a paragraph written by a 6th class student. That means a 6th class student has written one paragraph, children. 6th class student has written one paragraph. So what is given in the paragraph? Some words are spelled wrongly in it. That means in the paragraph a 6th class student has wrote some spelling mistake, children. Wrongly spelled words are written in the paragraph. Circle them and write the correct spelling. Okay, no one is perfect in this world. No one will be perfect in this world. So some children of 6th class, one child. So one student of 6th class has written a paragraph, and in that paragraph he has made some mistakes. That means he had wrote the spellings wrong. That spelling we should have to find and we should have to correct it, children. So what the title is given, children? The title is given about the food and nutrition. Yes. What is the name of the title given to the paragraph? Food and nutrition. Let us see. Food and nutrition paragraph. We will start reading the paragraph. Listen. Read the paragraph once or twice, children. I will read once. You just refer where is the mistake the student has made. Okay. Let us see. We need a balanced diet to be healthy. We need a balanced diet to be healthy. Balanced diet provides us major nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and proteins. There are two different types of source of proteins: animal sources and plant sources. Animal sources include fish, eggs, meat, etc. Peas and beans are important sources of protein. Okay, children. So I have read the paragraph. Did you find any mistake in the words written in the paragraph? Yes, somewhere there are mistakes. Somewhere there are mistakes. Children, you are learners. You are going to learn. You should have to find each and every word whether the words are correctly spelled or not. Let us go not with the total paragraph. Let us deal with the first sentence of the paragraph, children. Okay, what is given here? We need a balanced diet to be healthy. Okay, some difficult words are given. Need, balanced, diet, healthy. Okay, refer to those words. Refer to those words. Balanced. Go with the first one, children. Need, N-E-E-D. It is a correct spelling or a wrong spell? It is a correct one, children. Need a balanced, B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D is correct. Diet, whatever the food we are eating, that is diet our. Okay, diet. Healthy, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. So there is no mistake in the first sentence. Let us go to the second sentence, children. Balanced diet. Again the words has repeated. Balanced diet provides us major nutrients. Major spelling, children. M-A-J-O-R. Major is correct spell. Next, nutrients. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S. Nutrients is also correct. See, if you see the title of the passage, title of the paragraph, nutrition, nutrients. Okay, it is the correct spelling, children. Such as, what are those nutrients? Such as carbohydrates. It is also a difficult word. Whether it is spelled correct or not, let us see here. Carbohydrates, C-A-R-B-O-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E-S, carbohydrates is correct spelling. Fats, F-A-T-S, fats. Vitamin, V-I-T-A-M-N-S, V-I-T-A-M-N-S. So it is a wrongly spelled, children. So first mistake we have spelled here. So wrong, and this is the correct. We are going to write, children, here. Okay, wrong and the correct here. Wrong one. What is the wrong one here? Vitamin. Okay, vitamin. First one, let us see. V-I-T-A is given, children, in the textbook. Yes, V-I-T-A-M-N-S. It is the wrong one. Okay, so it is the wrongly spelled. Wrongly spelled. What is the correct spelling, children? Then I will write on the blackboard. V-I Vitamins. Vitamins. It is a correct spelling. Vitamins. Vitamins. Okay. Got children? This is the first mistake we have found from the paragraph. Next, vitamins we have completed. Minerals. See the spelling of the minerals. Minerals. Minerals is also correct one. And proteins. Proteins. It is the wrong one. This is the not tin. Okay. Protein. Proteins is wrong one, children. Second one. Protins is wrongly spelled. What is the correct one, children? Proteins. Proteins. Got, children? Now goes to the third one. The second sentence we have completed. Next, third sentence. There are two different types of source of proteins. Different. D-I-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different is wrong. From childhood, from the first standard onwards, you are learning this difficult word. Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, children. So wrongly spelled is different is D-I-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different is wrongly spelled. What is the correct spelling? D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Okay, children. Different, not different. Different. Next. There are two different types of source of proteins. Again, the protein spelling is wrong, children. Underline to the word protein. So whatever the wrongly spelled words are there, no, children, there you should have to make underline. You should have to write in notes. What is the process of writing this bit, children? You should have to write these sentences, children. Okay, or a paragraph. Once you should have to write this paragraph, and you should have to underline those words which are wrongly spelled. Okay, those words which are wrongly spelled. In this way, I have written on the blackboard, children. So like this, vitamin spelling is wrong. Underline for the vitamin spelling. Okay, then afterwards, after the completion of the paragraph writing, down you should have to write in this way, vitamin, wrong, correct. Okay, in this way, in this format, you should have to write in your notebook, children. Okay. So again, in the third sentence we have got the protein word wrong. Okay, protein. So repeat the same, children. Proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Next, children. Different types of proteins. What are those, children? Animal sources and plant sources. From where we are getting these proteins, children? We are getting the proteins from animal sources. From animals also we are getting, and from the plants also. Animals in the sense we eat the non-veg. Flesh we will eat. So from this we are getting those proteins. And plants, children, from plants we will eat the leafy vegetables. Yes, and the vegetables which are growing from the trees, which are getting from the trees. From those we are getting these proteins. Okay, children. Now animal sources and plant sources. There is no wrongly spelled word, children. Now animal sources include fish, eggs, meat, etc. Now see the spellings of the include. Animal, fish is correct. Eggs, plural of egg is eggs. E-G-G-S, eggs. Meat. What is the meaning of meat, children? Meeting. He has given the wrongly spelled here. We are not talking about those meeting when we are going to meet to another person. Meet. That is wrong one. Meat is nothing but, children, here. Fourth one, I have got one mistake here. M-E-E-T, meat. Underline for the word wrongly spelled meat. What is the correct one? M-E-A-T. The flesh which you are going to eat, which you are eating, that is the meat, children. So from this meat we are getting the carbohydrates and proteins. Got? Now fifth one, children. What is given? Last sentence. Peas and beans. Beans you need, no, children? Beans you get. Yes. So beans, peas, P-E-A-S, peas and beans are important sources of proteins. Important sources. S-O-U-R-S-E-S. Okay, in the beginning he has given what he has given, children? S-O-U-R-C-E-S he has given. Here S-O-U-R-S-E-S is wrongly spelled. S-O-U-R-S-E-S is wrong. So what is the correct one, children, here? sources. Sources. Okay, got the meaning, got the correct spelling here. Sources is the correct spelling. Got? These are the wrongly spelled one. First of all, you should have to read the paragraph. Then afterwards, you should have to underline those words which are wrongly spelled. Then afterwards, you should have to write the correct words in this format, children. This is the first bit what we have done. Now goes to the second bit, children. What is the second bit given in the page number 35? In each group of words below, find the odd one. Okay, find the odd one out and circle it. Give justification for your answer. The first one is done for you. Okay, so some group of words are given in one line, children. Okay, group of words are given. So from those words, we should have to find the odd one. Odd is nothing but which is not related. Suppose 4 words he has given. 4 words are given. From that 4 words, 3 are related to each other, but the other one will be the not related. The other one will not be related. So that the not related word will become the odd one here. Got, children? For example, one is done for you. What is the first one, children? Yeah, first one is given hospital. Yes, hospital. Now see, let us see whether they are related or not. Hospital, nurse, patient, passenger. Okay, hospital, nurse, patient, passenger here again. Now, hospital. In the hospitals, who will be? Nurse will be. In the hospital, nurse is there will be a patient and there will be a doctor. Yes, there will be the passengers. No passengers. Only the patients will be. So the passengers are the odd one. Passenger. First one is what here? Passenger. Okay, Passenger. So passenger, this is the odd one, children. Now I will explain you why this became the odd one. Children? Let us see here. Now, hospital, nurse and patient are related to medical profession. Yes or no? These 3 are related to medical profession. Whereas passengers is not related to the medical profession. Where the passengers are related to? The passengers are related to the, we can tell, bus, train. Okay. In that only the passengers will travel. This or no? Aeroplane. They are the passengers. Or you can tell the auto also. Auto. So passenger is the odd one. Got, children? You might have understood, I think. Now goes to the second one. Yes, you should have to answer, children. You should have to answer. Shop, customer, cost, temple. Shop, everybody knows. Who will come to the shop? Customer will come. Yes, customer will come and the shopkeeper will give one item or one thing to him. Okay, or any soap. He will ask the cost. The customer will ask the cost of it and the shop owner will tell the cost. Now, these 3 are related. Now, temple. Where is the temple, children? Temple is not related to the shop, no? Temple is not related to the customer. Yes or no, children? So, temple, second one is the temple. 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 Second one is the temple, children. So temple is the odd one. Now, why, sir? Why temple is the odd one? See, shop, customer, cost. These all are related to what? For business purpose. Yes or no? This all will deal with the business only. Whereas the temple deals with what? The temple is nothing but where the God statue is kept and all the people who comes and visit to God. Okay, they will do the prayer. So temple will become the odd one, children. Got, children, here? How you write the sentence? Shop, customer, cost are related to the business purpose. For the business profession also you can tell, purpose also you can tell. Whereas temple is not related to the business. Temple is not related to the business purpose. So temple is the odd one. Temple is the odd one, we should write. Next, third one, children. Dollars, things, rupees, cents. Dollars, things, rupees, cents. Now, dollar, American currency. Dollar. Things, table, chair, bench, soap, okay, pen, pencil, book, whatever it may be. This all comes under the things only. Rupees. Rupees means Indian currency. Next, cents also. It is also one type of currency, children. Currency means Money, that's all. Money, they are the money. So dollar is money, rupees is money, cents is also money. Then whereas the things is not the money, no? So things, T-H-I-N-G-S, T-H-I-N-G-S. Things will become the odd one. How you write, children? So dollar, rupees, coins are related to currency, whereas things are not related to currency. So things are the odd one. Okay, things are the odd one. So goes to the fourth one, children. Next, fourth one is treatment, operation, surgeon, blackboard. Treatment. Who will give the treatment? Doctor will give the treatment. Operation. Who will do the operation? Doctor will do the operation. Surgeon. Surgeon is nothing but the doctor who are going to do the operation. These are related to what, children? These all are related for hospital purpose. Yes or no? These all are related to the hospital only, where the people are getting the treatment. So these all are hospital purpose. Whereas blackboard is related to what? Related to the students also, and related to the school. Blackboard. Okay, blackboard is located in school. Blackboard is kept in school for the teaching purpose. Yes or no? So blackboard, B-L-A-C-K-B-O-A-R-D. Blackboard is the odd one. From those words, blackboard is the odd one, children. Next, exam, fifth one. Goes to the fifth one now. Exam, question, answer, chocolate. Okay. Exam. Who is going to write? Students are going to write the question. Questions are asked to the students only. Next, answer. Who are going to answer to those questions? The questions are, the answers are written by the students only. So, these all are related to for what purpose, children? These all are related for studies purpose. You can write exam, question, answer. These all are related to studies purpose. Whereas chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. Whereas chocolate is related for what, children? Chocolate is related for eatable things. Whatever you eat, no, it is related for the eatable things. So chocolate is the odd one from those. So children, how you will write? You just have to write. You should have to circle those words which are odd one. These all are the odd one. 1 to 5. I have written on the blackboard. These all are the odd one. And you should have to justify. I have told, no? Passengers, temple, things, blackboard, chocolate. These all are odd ones. And what are those things are given now? For business purpose, currency, money is related to the currency, exam, question, answers. These all are related for studies. Then afterward, treatment, operation, surgeon related to the hospital. Okay, children. The first one is done for you know. In that way, you should have to follow this one. Next, goes to the third bit, children. Third bit. I have written on the blackboard. Third bit. Let us see. Write words related to hospital. Write as many words as possible. That means write some words which are related to the hospital. Let us see, children. He has given some two examples. Hospital is related. Okay, some word is related for hospital, no? So he has given operation. Who will do the operation, children? Doctor in the hospital will do the operation. Related to hospital only, no? Yes, medicine. Medicines are given in the hospital by a doctor. So related to the hospital only. Next, many dashes are given, many arrow marks are given. Let us write. You just note down in your textbook along with the in textbook plus with notebook also, in the notebook also, children. So doctor related to hospital, doctor. Nurse related to hospital. Surgeon is nothing, the doctor who will do the surgery. For them we will call the surgeon. Next, injection. The medicine sent through the injection in our body, that is called the injection. Ward, where you are going to stay in the hospital, in the ward, general ward, ICU ward, or whatever it may be. Ward. Okay. Next one, compounder. The compounder is nothing but the person who will help in the hospital, help to the doctor along with the patient. Next, thermometer. Children. Thermometer. What is the use of the thermometer? The use of the thermometer is to see the temperature of a body. Next, medicine. I have told you. Stethoscope. Stethoscope is an instrument used to listen the heartbeat of a patient, heartbeat of a human being or any other animals also. Stethoscope. Okay, doctor will hold this stethoscope. Next, bandage. If you get any injury, what is given? Bandage is tied for the leg or for the injured part. Okay, lab. Lab is used for testing the blood samples. Next, ICU. Intensive care unit means a proper care is taken to the person, to the patient who is in emergency. So they have kept in the ICU. Next, NICU. N is nothing but children. Difference between ICU and NICU. ICU is kept for the big people, but NICU, neonatal ICU, intensive care unit. That means it is a special ICU where the small children are kept, newborn babies are kept. Okay, they are given the treatment in NICU. Scanning children, scanning. What purpose we are taking the scanning? If you have any health issues, doctor will advise to take the scanning. X-ray. X-ray is used for seeing the conditions of the bones of our body after the injury. Okay, children, this is the words. These are the words related to what, children? These are the words related to hospital. So in this class, what we have completed? We have completed the vocabulary part from the page number 35, children. The first bit, wrongly spelled words are there. You should find from the paragraph and you should write in this way. Then odd ones, you should find and circle the odd ones. You should have to circle the odd ones and write the sentences. Next one, X-ray. Whatever the aromas are given. Hospital, the words which are related to the hospital, that all I have mentioned on the blackboard, that also you should have to write. So today I am going to end this class. In the next class I will be coming with the another topic.